In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user flow diagrams in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to find a ready-made user flow template from the Figma community, bring it into your workspace, and paste it right into your project so you can start mapping journeys fast. First, open your browser and go to figma.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. That just ensures you can open files and copy content. Once you're on the site, look for the community area. This is Figma's built-in library of resources shared by creators, templates, kits, and example files you can learn from or adapt. Click into Community to begin your search. In the Community search bar, type User Flow Diagram. This will surface a variety of flowchart templates ranging from simple shapes to more advanced notations. As you browse, glance at the thumbnails and titles to get a sense of style and complexity. The goal is to pick a template that matches your needs, whether you're documenting a simple sign-up path or a multi-step product journey. When you find one that looks right, select the template to open its detail view. Here you can skim the description and preview the layout. If it looks good, click Open in Figma. This action adds the file to your Figma workspace and opens it in a new tab so you can interact with it just like any other design file. With the file open, select the design you want to use. You can click the frame name in the left layers panel or drag to marquee select the whole flow. Make sure you've captured everything you need, shapes, connectors, and labels, so you don't miss any pieces. Then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac OS to copy. If you prefer, right-click and choose Copy. Both work the same. Now switch to your own project file in Figma and paste what you copied. Use Ctrl+V or Command+V and the flow will appear on your canvas. Position it where it makes sense and zoom in to confirm all elements came through correctly. From here, you can update node names, adjust colors to match your design system, and resize shapes so the diagram fits your page. Most templates use auto layout or consistent spacing, which makes editing quick and keeps everything aligned. That's it. Go to Figma, open Community, search User Flow Diagram, pick a template, open it in Figma, copy the design and paste it into your project. This approach saves time, keeps your documentation consistent, and gives stakeholders a clear, professional view of the user journey.